Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please help me by hitting that subscription button. I'll appreciate. Just a quick one. Wine. Kwa team itakwete capital sana, itakwete starter. Then you want to start up a poultry farming. Show power. Normally for 120, and the way it is right now. Right now 12 kwacha. So it depends with the amount that you have. For instance, trying 50, kwang 20, 100. Just that you have to find at least a conducive place. As you can see, ventilation. So in terms of food, nkoko shiria feed. Na me shwe fina tap. Nomba ine nkoko phone taker. Nshaberesho kushipera omuti. Most people like using a lot of chemicals mumuti push booster. Nkoko shall losing a taste tashiwama. As you can see, for me, I only use it tembusheri. Ganari putura buno na become mensh. And my chicks nkoko shanisha kurafe buno. So feed yard sana. Kwa feed yaba overtake, kwa be yaba tiger. It's up to you the kind of feed that you want to use. Otherwise, this is just a part one that I'm doing just to show you. You are not alone. Vengi, you don't have enough capital. You can always come to my channel.